Hi, my name is Mike Richards and I'm Site Director for Extral Limited based in Brown Hills. Extral is a manufacturer of both medical and life sciences equipment used in the treatment for and research into radiotherapy cancer treatments. I first came across In-Comm 3 years ago when I decided to fill a vacancy I had in our warehouse with an apprentice warehouse controller. Having had a series of disasters with recruiting established warehouse controllers, the idea of introducing an apprentice who we could train to fit with our existing procedures seemed like a very positive course of action. I spent some time researching local training companies and found In-Comm, who were very handily about 3 miles down the road from the office. Having made contact with In-Comm and Stuart Parker, and after a number of very positive meetings, I was presented with a list of prospective candidates. After a number of very positive interviews, Lewis was selected as a successful candidate. Lewis immediately proved himself to be the right choice, displaying a tremendous work ethic and an aptitude for the job. The year passed quickly with him passing his apprenticeship with flying colours and showing himself to be an invaluable member of the team. Having taken control of warehouse and logistics activities within the company, it was clear that Lewis was destined for progression, and a year ago he became our new production controller, a role to which he has made his own. This of course then left a gap in the warehouse controller role, which meant me knocking at In-Comm's door once again. After a similar process to previous, we now have Sam, who is showing exactly the same promise as Lewis did, so I'm now incredibly proud of the team that has evolved from the In-Comm apprenticeship scheme, and I'm already planning my next apprentice for early 2021. I think my experiences have proved that the apprenticeship scheme works well for both employer and employee, and with the backing of In-Comm, I hope to continue recruiting good people for the foreseeable future.